evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a great time. I welcome you all to Abim District for the cultural event. My role here is just to tell you the purpose as to why we usually select the Mr. Miss Ambassadors during the cultural events. Usually the purpose is for them to promote our culture, our traditions, our heritage, and everything that surrounds Karamoja as a region. So as they come forward, of course they will be presenting the themes. And they will be explaining whatever the themes stand for. Of course, for instance, the dressings, the food, and the other thing is, you've just seen the beauty queens of Miss Tourism. So we shall also make sure that the Miss and Mr. Ambassador work hand in hand with the Mrs. Tourism fraternity. Because culture alone is tourism in itself.
Limo Bing! Limo Bing! No.
So they'll be working hand in hand with the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities. And they will be representing Karamoja as a whole, not just Moroto, but the 9 districts of Karamoja. And when they come here, of course, we have a question and answer session where they will have to be tested on whether they really know the culture of Karamoja. When we take them out there, they are able to represent us fully and perfectly as we really expect them to. So in brief, that is what I can say about the Miss and Mr. Tourism that will come forward here right now. But just a little bit of what I've left out. Like I said, they'll be representing us in the whole globe. But of course we have challenges, we have gaps. We may not have the funds to take them as far as, say, maybe to America or to Europe. Let's say to Europe. But at least they can represent us in Turkana, maybe in the Nyangatom region, Ethiopia. Let's say the whole Arctic area. South Sudan, so thank you very much. And like the Mother Casey, of course, we pledge that we shall work hand in hand with them, support them where necessary, and maybe at times even get to our pockets, because as culture, we really love culture. So one time I took on culture as far as we all can. One time I took on a door to Karamoja. So if we knock your doors, please. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now we want to introduce